Hey, Mathematics of Personal Finance students. It looks like a lot of you are in and getting going. A frequent question I am being asked is about the computer scored assignments. And a lot of you are noticing that you're putting in the right answers, but it's marking you as incorrect. So I just wanted to let you know that under course info, so when you're here in Blackboard under course info, there's a really important piece of information here. And it gives you examples that show you that your answers that you submit should be rounded to the nearest cent. So keep in mind, this is a finance class, so we're working in dollars and cents. So for example, if you do a percentage problem like this and you end up with 4.774, you should write your answer as 4.77. Another example here, you can see that it's 0.446. It should be 0.45. Remember, you put the zero in the leading zero. Another example that isn't included here, but is definitely important, is if you have something like 4.5, that's maybe your $4.50, you would need to write that as 4.50, 4.50, and don't leave that last zero off, because again, we want to write it as though it was dollars and cents. Anything like including the dollar sign in front, you don't want to do, or you don't want to do that. You want to just put in the actual number. So hopefully that helps, but just keep me posted if you're confused on any of the assignments. Let me know. A lot of you are getting off to a great start getting Unit 0 done, and I appreciate that. And looking forward to working with you this semester.